Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting a minute to prevent shorts. Recover the refrigerant or have it professionally evacuated. You cannot release it. Once done, raise the front and support the car on jack stands for safe access. Remove the engine cover, then use a serpentine belt tool to relieve tension and slide the belt off the compressor pulley. Make sure to mark belt routing and inspect pulleys. This prevents reassembly errors and shows worn parts that might need replacement. You now disconnect the electrical connector and the high and low service port fittings, capping lines immediately to keep contaminants out. Unbolt the compressor mounting bolts while supporting the unit so hoses don't twist or tug. Remove the compressor from the bracket and compare mounting points. Transfer clutch, pulley, or bracket components if the replacement didn't include them. Before installation, add the manufacturer-specified oil volume and type to the new compressor, and bench rotate the clutch a few times to reinstall the compressor, tighten mounting bolts to the specified torque, then reconnect the electrical connector and reroute the serpentine belt. Restore the battery connection. Next, attach a vacuum pump and pull the system down to about 1 torr for 30 to 45 minutes to remove moisture. This step prevents acid and corrosion. Once stable, charge the system with the exact refrigerant mass and oil as specified. If cooling is weak or pressures are abnormal, check for leaks at fittings and observe compressor clutch engagement as your primary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.